Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami horse face. To do that, you're going to need a square sheet of paper. And if you're a child, please get an adult to help you with the next part, because scissors are sharp and dangerous, and I don't want you or anybody else to hurt themselves. So please get an adult to help you with the cutting. Now you're going to fold it like this, and you want to make sure it's perfectly straight all along that edge. Once you do, you're going to cut off this extra piece. When you do that, you'll end up with a square sheet of paper. Now, for this, you're going to need to turn it that way, and you're going to fold it in half, corner to corner. So corner to corner, and corner to corner. And then you open it up, and you're going to fold this up to there, up to that center point you just made. Keep the lines, the creases nice and lined up. And then you're going to unfold it. And then you're going to fold up to that crease, just like that. And then you're going to fold in the dotted lines. Or sorry, there's no dotted lines. You're going to fold in cornerways. You know what? We're going to fold this down. No. We'll fold this. Fold this over kind of diagonally. Kind of like this, I guess. Seems to be. Do the same on the other side. Something like that. Oh, let's do it a little more. So something like that, okay? It's a little uneven. So I'm just trying to even it out. I think that's closer. Okay. Now, I'm going to fold this down. To that point, right there. Roughly. Okay? Then you're going to want to fold this back up. Roughly there. Use that crease there that you have, and just go a little past that, I think. Okay? Now, you want to fold in these corners. Fold this corner and this corner in. So just fold them in like this, you know, something like that. Like that. Just like that. Okay? And then you're going to take it, you're going to fold it in half. Take it and fold it in half. Now this is where you're going to see if you got your folds straight and evenly, because if you look at mine, Not quite, but it's pretty close, so it's good enough. Now, I'm gonna turn it, and you want to draw some eyes. So we got like this, we'll say. We're going to draw an eyeball. And a nose. And I'll just take some brown, and I'm just going to see, I could just quickly draw some brown, because horses are usually brown or black or something like that, right? So we're just going to draw some brown on it quickly. Okay, good enough. Oh, you know what? I'm pretty sure his ears are brown too, so let's just draw that on. And there we go. We have ourselves a horse. Now, I'm not the best artist, but it didn't turn out too bad. It can even sit up. You can even set it up on something. Can't do it with the camera angle I have, but see, it sets up. You just can't quite see it with the angle I have. Okay, so there it is. Horse face. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.